day. Then let's make raindrops in our house. Great idea! So these are the things we need. Plastic cup, and ball, a jar, and water. First, take a plastic cup, poke holes at the bottom of it. Next, take a cup and put it inside the jar. Fill the cotton ball and put it inside. And then pour the water. So now it's the fun part. Look, it's raining. Yeah. It's like raining in the jar. Yeah. It's the clouds and the water is rain. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel Science Card. Bye bye.